This product is derived from the multifunctional nano-thin film atomic layer deposition equipment and system integration technology development project. We continue the local self-made EFEM transfer chamber and cluster chamber system, combined with the newly developed plasma polishing chamber, which is expected to replace the traditional chemical-mechanical planarization process in silicon carbide wafer preparation and achieve high-yield silicon carbide wafer production. Because the amount of chemicals and consumables is less than CMP, which has the advantages of saving process costs, improving production capacity, and environmental protection. This product can also be applied to plasma dry etching de-scum process and can be etched with selectively generated neutral plasma beams to achieve gentle etching and reduce device damage purpose. Thanks to the government's subsidy program, Skytech can confidently advance in the development of cutting-edge technologies.